Hello guys, today's video we are talking about Mannanaggal powers or abilities and origin. So guys, without getting delays, let's get start this video. Mannanaggal is introduced in Philippines mythology in 12th century when the people fears a monster that kill pregnant women or their child. He was appeared like a half woman with half torso, and their wings to fly, and their tongue was very sticky or dangerous that can cut baby veins and absorb their bloods. And his name gave Mannanaggal means torso separator woman. So what she originated? According to Philippines mythology, Mannanaggal was originated by bad people or demonic powers. When a bird created by demons that can convert gave into a woman, and every woman can separate it into Mannanaggal. When those she killed, the bird demon can trap another girl, and this reason Mannanaggal population get higher and stronger. Now let's talk about Mannanaggal powers. Mannanaggal have a long tongue that get throughout their own body, and they can cut enemy skins and absorb their flashes. Mannanaggal have two wings that can fly into sky, and they have more speed or intelligibility, and he can detach their lower body, and he can fly to hunt the enemy. And its diet is pregnant women or their children's. And he was half magic done yet that they have half powers, and she have more powers like blood manipulation, regeneration, or invisible mode, and dark power manipulation. Mannanaggal has some weaknesses, like if they convert into a own body during daytime, he can die and burn them. And second, if somebody burned their lower body, Mannanaggal can also die and destroy it. And he have more hunger if they should eat. And weaknesses is salt and onion or ginger. That was the weaknesses of Mannanaggal, and they have no way to hunt them. So that's all. If you watch until the end, so guys, like and subscribe my channel so you don't miss an update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.